Hey everybody, was able to get an alarm hooked up in the dining room, fire alarm. It's up on the wall next to the refrigerator. Next fire alarm video I make, hopefully that'll go off. I just put it up there about a few minutes ago. Should work. It's the same MT you've heard in other videos, except this time it'll be in code 3. SHG is still up in the living room. And just some information, I'm not going to set it off right now because my mom doesn't like fire alarms and I don't want to cause any trouble at night. So yeah, it's got a strobe and everything. You'll see strobe light going off. So that's it. Thanks for watching.